Jai Srimannarayana, 20th sloka of 8th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Parastasmattu bhavonyo vyakto vyaktat sanatanaha yassa sarveshu bhuteshu nasyatsuna vinasyati. Om. You are not the body, you are Atma. You are pure. You are an embodiment of wisdom. You are eternal. Every day, at least once or twice, keep thinking about yourself. Keep remembering your own nature, and then you will definitely try to get rid of the clutch of birth and death. You will attain self-realization. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Krishna, oh Srimannarayana, I shall definitely remember about my nature every day, and I shall try to attain self-realization. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana." Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanयुtam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham, Dasama Skandham, 68th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Vasudeva asked Nanda that, 'O Nanda, my son Baladeva, how is he doing? Only when we have all of our relatives, friends are in favor with us, we will be able to do all the divine activities according to Vedas and earn dharma, artha, kamas. O Nanda, if our most beloved ones are not happy, we too will not be happy. If they are worrying, if they are in troubles, we will also be worrying. Like that when Vasudeva said, then Nanda saying to Vasudeva like this, Aho te devaki putraha kamsena bahavo hataha. O Vasudeva, I heard that all of your children were killed by Kamsa. I am very sorry about that. Also, I heard the last female child flew into space. For all of these things, Nunam ki adrushta nishtaha, ayam adrushta paramaha. For everything, adrushtam, the fortune, is the cause. Only the fortune is the cause for all of these, either pain or pleasure. But we cannot do anything. We just have to have trust on Paramatma. Like that when Nanda said, now Vasudeva saying, Oh Nanda, I heard that you already paid taxes to Kamsa. Janapati kari iditivi, mamu kanuguntivi, me muninnu gantimi melayan, pomminkan gokulamuna utpatamulu dochu. You did pay taxes, you met with me, and I feel that you should not be staying any longer here. You have to go back to your Vrepalle, because I do see there are some disasters going to happen in Vrepalle. Like that when Vasudeva said, immediately Nanda, along with his people, he now traveling back to his Vrajam, Vrepalle. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 8th chapter, 20th sloka. Parastasmat bhavonyaha vyakto vyaktat sanatanaha yassa sarveshu bhuteshu nasyatsu na vinasyati. Parastasmat bhavonyaha vyakto vyaktat sanatanaha yassa sarveshu bhuteshu nasyatsu na vinasyati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.